If you're missing teeth, what can you do? There is nothing quite as stressful as missing teeth or even several missing teeth. Missing a tooth can significantly affect your bite, your speech, and of course the aesthetics of your smile. Measures like dentures or dental bridges can correct those gaps, but they can only go so far in repairing the damage. However, dental implants offer patients a truly permanent form of restoration by filling the gaps with teeth that look and act like the real thing. Now, full arch dental implants, or all-on-X teeth in a day, offer a revolutionary alternative. Think of them as the gold standard. They're secure, they're comfortable, and they mimic the feel of natural teeth. The beauty is in their stability. No more worrying about denture slippage or discomfort. It's a game changer in tooth replacement, providing a long-term solution that truly transforms your smile. Your unique dental journey deserves a personalized approach. Schedule a consultation and let's find the perfect fit for your smile. Welcome to Primary Dental. We look forward to seeing you soon.